Hello friends, good morning to all. Today we are going to see the remaining part of population indices, that is age specific mortality rate. So what exactly age specific mortality rate means and how we can draw a graph of available data. Let us see. Age specific mortality rate. Mortality rate. First of all, see what is mortality rate. Mortality rate or death rate is measure of the number of deaths in a particular population. It is typically expressed in units of death per 1000 population per year. Suppose there is a 10,000 population in any area, and out of this, if there is 1000 population get died, that is called as 10% age 10% death rate of that particular region in a particular year. So according to this we can calculate age specific mortality. There are various types of mortality rate. First one is crude mortality rate, infant mortality rate, maternal mortality rate, child mortality rate, disease specific mortality rate, age specific mortality rate. According to the purpose of any researcher, we can do the calculation or we can plot a graph of particular mortality rate. Particularly in this practical, we have to plot a graph of age specific mortality rate. So let us see what exactly age specific mortality rate means. Age specific mortality rate is a mortality rate limited to particular age group. There are various age groups. According to that, whenever we calculate a mortality rate in a particular group, it is called as age specific mortality rate. It is calculated using the given formula. ASMR is the short form of age specific mortality rate. How we can calculate ASMR? It is very simple and easy formula so far the calculation is concerned. Number of death in specific age group. So how many number of people get died in a specific age group? We have to divide it by mid period population for specific group, and again we have to multiply it by 1000. So let us see how we can calculate and how we can measure the ASMR. Before that, we have to see the importance of age specific mortality rate. All age mortality is not very useful for the health planning because there is a variation in the every age group. Because some people, particularly children, have less resistance power, and that's why they get died. At the same time, old people have also lost their resistance or immunity, and that's why they get also died. That's why there is a variation. So all age mortality is not very useful for health planning. The distribution of death by age group is affected by age structure of population. So we calculate age mortality rate. As we know that children and old people have less resistance, and that's why their mortality is more, and that's why the distribution of death by age group is also affected by structure of population. Means how many people are there, aged people are there, children are there, youths are there, that determines the age specific mortality, and that's why we have to calculate the age specific mortality. Characteristics of age specific mortality. The different mortality patterns over all age groups shows J shape. So if whenever we generally calculate or plot a graph of mortality, there is a J shape, as like English letter J shape, capital J is there, and thus there is a shape of the particular specific mortality. Mortality is always high among infants, as I have already explained that the resistance power or immunity is less in the infants, and that's why mortality is always high. It is lower usually between 5 to 14 age group. As the age increase, there is a less mortality. It again increase after the age of 65. As I already explained that there is a less immunity, and that's why their resistance power get decreased, and which affects on the overall mortality, and that's why the mortality rate is high or increase after the age of 65. So let us see age specific mortality rate. Find out age specific mortality rate for different age groups using following data. Plot the data and interpret the results. So this is the data. This first column is of serial number. This is age group from 01 to 24 and up to the 84. Number of dates are there given as per the age group. Mid-year population means what? Suppose in this year means in 2021 there is a 40 number of deaths of 0 to 1 age group. It means 40 people, 40 children get died and whatever the population of that age group is there. But in the mid year the population of that age group was 3045. So whenever we calculate all these things putting or using the formula, we can get the figure that is age specific mortality ASMR is 13.14. So let us see how we can calculate the same. So age specific mortality ASMR, number of death in specific age group, number of death in specific age group divided by mid period population for specific group and multiplied by 1000. So ASMR of age group 0.1. For our understanding, we just take an example of 0 to 1 group. So this is 0 to 1 group. Number of death is 40. So I put 40 over here. Number of mid period population for specific group is 3045. So I put 3045 over here and I just multiplied it by 1000. So ASMR of age group 0 to 1 is equal to 40 divided by 3045. Calculation is 0.0131. I multiplied it by 1000. ASMR of age group 0 to 1 is equal to 13.1362, and I make the round figure. ASMR is equal to 13.14. I put the same value over here. Similarly, using same formula, I can calculate ASMR of each and every group up to the 1884. Okay, so this is all about the age specific mortality rate. Whenever I got all these values after the calculation, I can put it into the graph, and just I have shown over here. This is the x axis, this is y axis. I have already explained that x is the constant or the fixed value, and y is the changing value or which is dependent. This is independent. Okay, so 0 to 1, 2 to 4, all the age groups are shown over here, and this is the deaths of age according to the age. In 0 to 1, whatever the deaths occurred over there, I just put the dot, and accordingly in every age group whatever the death occurs, accordingly I put the points, and the last point I have shown over here. So what it indicates? It indicates that there is a J shape. There is a J shape graph is occurred. So I just interpretation is here. In the given example, age specific mortality rate is found variable in the different age groups. You can see in the graph. It is found that mortality rate is minimum 0.198 in the age group of 5 to 9. Mortality rate is also very less among the children and youth between the age of 10 to 44 years. Mortality increases continuously after the age of 45, and minimum mortality rate is found among old age group 80 to 84, that is 322.29. So this is all about the age specific mortality rate. So today we stop here. Thank you very much.